Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Using Acrobat DC, you can automate multi-step tasks using actions. An action is a collection of steps that can be performed automatically by Acrobat to save time and streamline workflow. When using actions, some steps can be completed entirely by Acrobat software, while other steps require user input. Actions are especially useful for multi-step tasks that must be performed frequently. Acrobat contains several preset actions that automate common tasks. You can also create, save, and share your own actions that automate tasks related to your specific workflow. To access actions, select the Action Wizard from the Customize section of the Tools Center. Acrobat then displays the Action Wizard view, which includes a toolbar above the document window and an Actions pane at the right side of the screen. The Action Wizard toolbar provides buttons for using and managing actions. The Actions pane lists available actions. To use an action, first open a PDF in Acrobat within which you want to run a relevant action, and then select the Action Wizard from the Tools Center. Next, from within the Actions List section in the Actions pane, click the name of the action you want to perform within the PDF. When you click an action, the Actions pane displays the file or files to be processed at the top of the pane, followed by the individual steps within the action. If the author of the action has provided instructions for using the action, the instructions will also appear in the Actions pane. You should take a moment to review the steps in the action. When you are then ready to start the action, click the Start button. The Start button changes into a Stop button, which you can click at any time to stop the action before completion if needed. As the action is performed, steps will be highlighted in the Action pane. The operation will continue until a step requires input from the user. Some steps require values to be selected or information to be entered into a dialog box. Follow along with the steps of the action until the Stop button is replaced with the word Completed. You can then click the Close Action button that appears above the Actions pane to close the pane and return to the default display of the Actions pane.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.